Proteins are essential nutrients that our bodies need to function correctly. They play a crucial role in almost every biological process, from muscle contraction to immune response. They are the building blocks of life, much like bricks are the building blocks of a house. Without them, our bodies would lack the necessary components to grow and repair tissues. Just as bricks provide structure and support, proteins do the same for our bodies. They give our cells their shape and help them perform their functions efficiently. Without proteins, our bodies would be unable to build, repair, or maintain their tissues and organs. They are vital for healing wounds and regenerating cells. This makes proteins just as important as carbohydrates and fats for our overall health and well-being. A balanced diet ensures we get enough of these essential nutrients. Proteins are involved in almost every process that happens within our cells. They act as enzymes, hormones, and antibodies, each with a specific role to play. They are found in every part of our bodies, from our muscles and bones to our hair and nails. This widespread presence underscores their importance. Essentially, proteins are the workhorses of our cells, carrying out a wide range of tasks that are essential for life. They ensure that our bodies function smoothly and efficiently every day. Proteins are like construction crews, constantly working to keep our bodies in good shape. They build and repair tissues, ensuring that our bodies can grow and heal properly. Imagine a group of workers constantly repairing a building, replacing old bricks and adding new structures. That's what proteins do for our bodies every single day. This process of building and repair is essential throughout our lives, but it is particularly important during childhood and adolescence when our bodies are growing rapidly. Proteins also play a crucial role in recovering from injuries. When we get hurt, proteins rush to the site of the injury to repair damaged tissues and promote healing. Muscles are primarily made up of protein, and it is proteins that allow our muscles to contract and relax, enabling movement. Every time we move, from taking a step to lifting a weight, we are relying on proteins to power our muscles. Without enough protein, our muscles would weaken, and we would find it difficult to perform even the simplest physical tasks. Proteins are also essential for maintaining healthy bones, tendons, and ligaments. These tissues provide structure and support to our bodies, allowing us to stand upright, move around freely, and engage in physical activity. Adequate protein intake is crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing age-related bone loss. Our immune system relies heavily on proteins to protect us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Antibodies, which are specialized proteins, identify and neutralize these invaders, preventing them from causing illness. Think of antibodies as our body's security guards, patrolling for threats and taking action when necessary. Proteins also play a role in wound healing, helping to repair damaged skin and tissues. They are involved in the formation of blood clots, which are essential for stopping bleeding after an injury. Without enough protein, our immune system would be weakened, leaving us more susceptible to infections and diseases. Specialized proteins, tailored for specific tasks. Our bodies produce thousands of different types of proteins, each with a unique structure and function. These proteins are essential for countless biological processes, from building tissues to fighting off infections. These specialized proteins are like specialized tools, each designed to perform a particular job. Just as a carpenter uses different tools for different tasks, our cells use different proteins to carry out specific functions. Hemoglobin, for example, is a protein found in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. It binds to oxygen in the lungs and releases it in tissues where it's needed. It acts like a delivery truck, transporting oxygen from the lungs to all our cells and tissues. Without hemoglobin, our cells would be starved of oxygen, making it impossible for them to function properly. Another example is insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Produced by the pancreas, insulin helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for energy. This process is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Without insulin, our blood sugar levels would spike, leading to serious health problems like diabetes. Managing these levels is vital for preventing complications and maintaining a healthy life. Amino acids, the protein alphabet. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids, which are like the letters of the alphabet. There are 21 different amino acids, and they can be combined in countless ways to create the wide variety of proteins found in our bodies. Just as letters can be arranged to form different words, amino acids can be arranged to form different proteins with unique functions. Our bodies can produce some amino acids on their own, but others, called essential amino acids, must be obtained through our diet. These essential amino acids are found in protein-rich foods like meat, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Essential amino acids, getting what your body needs. There are 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce: histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. These essential amino acids must be obtained from our diet to ensure that our bodies have the building blocks they need to function correctly. Animal-based proteins, like meat, fish, and eggs, are considered complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions. Plant-based proteins, like beans, lentils, and nuts, are often incomplete proteins, meaning they may be low in one or more essential amino acids. A balanced diet. The key to protein power. To ensure that we are getting enough of all the essential amino acids, it is important to eat a balanced and varied diet that includes both animal and plant-based protein sources. Vegetarians and vegans can meet their protein needs by consuming a variety of plant-based proteins throughout the day. It's also important to note that our protein needs vary depending on our age, activity level, and overall health. Growing children, pregnant women, and athletes generally require more protein than sedentary adults. Fueling your body. The importance of protein. Proteins are essential nutrients that play a vital role in building, repairing, and maintaining our bodies. They are the building blocks of life, composed of amino acids that our bodies need to function properly. They are involved in countless processes, from muscle contraction and immune function to oxygen transport and hormone production. Proteins also help in the creation of enzymes and neurotransmitters, which are crucial for brain function and overall well-being. Without enough protein, our bodies would be unable to function correctly. Protein deficiency can lead to muscle wasting, weakened immune response, and overall fatigue, making it essential to consume adequate amounts daily. By understanding the importance of protein and incorporating a variety of protein-rich foods into our diets, we can ensure that our bodies have the building blocks they need to thrive. This includes not just animal sources like meat and fish, but also plant-based options such as beans, lentils, and nuts. Whether we are building muscle, fighting off infection, or simply going about our daily lives, proteins are the unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our bodies healthy and strong. They support recovery, growth, and the maintenance of every cell in our bodies, making them indispensable to our overall health.